How to send voice message on Signal. Are you guys facing issue to send voice message on Signal application? If that's so, then this video might help you. Without further ado, let's get started. To send a voice message on Signal, open the application and log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, go to the chat where you want to send it. At the bottom right corner of the screen, you will be see a microphone icon. Press and hold the mic icon to start your recording. While recording, speak clearly into your phone eye. If you want to cancel the recording while holding it, just slide your finger to the left. Once you are done recording, release the mic button and the voice message will be sent instantly. The message is encrypted end to end so it stays completely private. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to send voice message on Signal application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.